Ever wish you could cash out with just $1 and get paid instantly? I have $20 in my account on a site called CashGun, and in this video I'll show you exactly how it works, including the live payout, so you can see for yourself if it's worth your time or not. In case you don't know, my name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And recently I came across a relatively new site called CashGun. You can earn by playing games, answering surveys and signing up for offers. And it also has some unique features that I have not seen on many GPT sites, and I have tested hundreds of them. It promises instant cash out in crypto, and you can also get paid via PayPal. But does it really pay, and is it really as easy as it sounds? I signed up, I tested it, and today I'll take you inside my account. I'll walk you through how it works and show you my $20 withdrawal step by step so you can decide if CashGun is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and CashGun is a free get paid to site, and you can join it from basically all countries. Of course, how many opportunities there will vary depending on your country. That's how it always is on get paid to sites. But I will now log in and then I will show you exactly how to use it. I will also show you how to cash out and show you payment proof. And then I will also show you a couple of unique features I have not really seen on many get paid to sites. I have now logged into CashGun, and what I actually really like about it is that there is not all kind of distractions here. It's very easy and simple to use. You can just go to the earn section and then you can see you can earn with offer walls, and that's just all the partners they have. And I have tested many get paid to sites, and I must say this definitely has a lot of different partners. How it works is that you just choose any partner or any of these walls, and each of them then have many different offers. It can be games you can download, it can be surveys, also it can be free trials, all kind of things you can get paid for. And you can see sometimes some of them give extra bonuses. So at the time of recording this video, for example, here I would get 50% bonuses on all offers on this offer wall. So of course that's worth paying attention to. So you focus on those that have bonuses on the days they have that, because that comes and goes. So just so you're aware of that it's not that these bonuses will always be for these walls. Sometimes it's all the walls and things like that. But you would basically just click an offer wall, it will open up and you can see the available offers. You can see the exact rewards. You can click it to read more about exactly when you will get paid. You can see what levels you need to get the different rewards. So it is quite user friendly. It shows you exactly what you can expect. And for this particular one, you can see this is just on one offer wall. We have all these different paid offers, and there are also some surveys. Each of them you can just go through. There are a ton of offers, definitely. And in my experience also, the pay you get here per offer and per survey, it's definitely quite decent compared to many other survey sites and get paid to sites. But what I also like is that if you scroll down, then they have also highlighted some special offers, high paying offers. And you can see, for example, here, some of them pay a lot. But of course, the ones that pay this much here, they also require a lot of effort and time. Sometimes you even have to invest in some games. Sometimes it's actually worth it. You just need to make your calculations, because sometimes for investing a small amount you can move up in the reward ladder and get even higher rewards. But here then you don't have to go through the different offer walls. You can just come here and go through the highest paying ones. You can sort it. If it's apps, you can download sign-ups, or games, casino, crypto, deposit, purchase, a quiz. So it makes it possible to quite easily filter some of the highest paying offers, and you can also filter it by device. So I like that aspect. Again, it works the same way. You would just click here and then you can see what is required to get the different rewards here, and then you would have to click to open it, and then you would be taken to where you can download it. You will have a code you can scan, so you can scan it with your phone, so you're sure that everything tracks properly. So going to this section can definitely be a great way to get started. You can see they highlight a lot of offers here. It starts with the highest payings and then go down to some of the lower, but don't ignore the lower paying ones, because sometimes they are really easy to do. But there's one more way to earn, so let's just quickly go over that before showing you a couple of things I haven't really seen on many get paid to sites that are definitely also worth paying attention to, and then I will withdraw so we can see if it actually does pay. So you can click your profile and then you come to a place where there is another way you can earn. And that is by inviting others. You can see just invite someone and you will get 1 cent. So it's a little bit unusual compared to many referral programs. Usually you get a commission or there's some kind of requirements for you to get the reward. But here you will just get 1 cent per person you refer. I've asked them about it and they say they might also update this later. So there will be continuous commissions if you invite people, but right now this is what you can earn by referring people if you like it. And as I always say, if you want to invite people, make sure you test the platform and actually really like it so you know that it's something you can recommend. And if you do, you can send this link to people you know and then you will get 1 cent per person that signs up. But let's now jump into a couple of quite interesting features that I haven't seen on many Get Paid To sites. So something you can't actually see inside the platform once you're logged in is that if you scroll down on the homepage before logging in, you can see that they actually have a Telegram app. So you can also click this one here and then you can open the Telegram either on your phone or on your computer. And speaking of phone also, you can see that at the top here also, they do have an app, so you can download it also for Android devices, but you can also use it on an iOS device just by logging into the website. But let's now here focus on the Telegram bot they also have here. So the Telegram bot is where you can come in here and you can start it and then you can click here to open it and then you actually get access to the different offer walls here and the different offers you can also cash out here, so you can do it through Telegram. But as you can see, it actually creates an automatic account there and my Telegram account has a different email, so that's just something to be aware of, that then it actually creates a new account and you're actually not allowed to create several accounts, so that's just something to be aware of. But I do like that they made it easy to find all these options inside Telegram via a Telegram bot there. That's something I haven't really seen on other Get Paid To sites. But you can actually also click and even join the community. So in here, you can also communicate with the staff and you can communicate with other members. So that's also something you can consider if you need support, if you have questions or something you want to share with some of the other members. So I like that they've started using Telegram. I've myself started using Telegram quite a lot. And if you do like Telegram, I actually also do have a Telegram channel where I share exclusive tips and tricks every day there. I'll also leave a link to that below so you can also go and check that out. But I definitely like that CashGun seems to be a little bit more innovative compared to most other Get Paid To sites, because they actually both have a bot where you can earn and then they have a community where you can get live support. So that's definitely great. But let's now jump to the payout option so we can see if it actually pays and how you can get paid, because that's of course always very important to know before you decide whether you should join a Get Paid To site or not. So I have now jumped to the cash out section and you can see it has different options. It has crypto and then it has PayPal. Be aware there is a small fee here no matter which method you choose. So that's just something you need to be aware of. But what I do like is that it offers quite a few different ways to get paid, and from what I've been told, it pays instantly if you get paid via crypto, and it offers, you can see, like on Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum and Dogecoin, so some of the most popular cryptos, and then you can also choose PayPal. So what you would need to do is to write your payment details here. So for PayPal, that would be your PayPal email address. For your crypto here, it would be the crypto wallet address. But for this video here, I'll choose PayPal. So from what I've been told also, that's not instant because that needs to get approved. Crypto will be instant, but I just know people want to see also payment proof from PayPal, so I will do that in this video here. I have been told it can take anywhere from 10 minutes and up to 3 hours depending on when you withdraw, so I will just fill out my email address here and then withdraw. And you can see you only need to earn $1 to withdraw, so a very low payout threshold, and I definitely do like that aspect. But what I need to click now is just here to send this request. And you can see then the balance went down with the $20 there, and then I just have to wait till the money get into my account, and I will then leave a screenshot here of the email I get from PayPal that confirms that the money go into my account there. I will also there write exactly how long it took, because remember with PayPal it can take a little bit of time. If you want to get paid instantly, you need to choose to get paid in crypto, but I do like that you can get paid into any crypto wallet you want. That's definitely great. But let's now talk a little bit about the overall earning potential. So how much can you then overall earn on CashGun? Well, it of course, as it does with all other get paid to sign, depend a lot on the country you live in. As you can see, I have access to a lot of high paying offers. There's also a lot of offer walls with paid surveys and many different types of offers. So it's definitely possible to earn a decent amount. And I would say the rewards here on CashGun are definitely above average compared to most other get paid to sites I have tested. So I definitely like that aspect. I also like that you can actually take these offers through Telegram and you can get support through Telegram, and that it also has an app. Plus you can actually get paid instantly via crypto, and you only need to earn $1 to get paid, which is definitely great. As of recording this video, it is still fairly new, so I will definitely keep testing it, keeping an eye on it. And if you want to try it out as well, I'll leave a link below so you can go and check it out. And also I would love to then hear your opinion and your experiences with it, so please feel free to share that in a comment below. And finally, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.